Of course, we're tracking the wildfires that are destroying and threatening homes across Oregon. Let's start with the Darlene fire near Lapine. It's now destroyed at least 4 homes and 11 other buildings, burning in an area of a square mile in the Deschutes National Forest. It's only 5% contained. There is a level 2 evacuation notice for the area south of the Deschutes County line, including the Sunforest Estates, the Split Rail Subdivision, and Antelope Meadows.
The largest fire in the country, the Bootleg fire in Klamath County, has burned more than 227,000 acres, and it has the potential to spread into Lake County. That's where evacuation orders have now been put into place. Crews say it is 7% contained. At least 20 homes have been destroyed and 2,000 structures are threatened. The cause of that fire is unknown.
The Jack Fire has burned more than 15,000 acres in Douglas County. It is threatening nearly 250 structures, including homes in the town of Dry Creek, as well as Forest Service campgrounds. Crews say that is now 25% contained. Again, the cause of this fire is unknown.
Crews battling the Game Hog Creek fire in Tillamook State Forest have kept it contained to about 100 acres. This one flared up on July 3rd, then hopped its containment line this week. Mike Cafferata from the Department of Forestry in Forest Grove says the terrain in the area complicates their fight.
Most of the work is on the ground, building containment lines. There's one section that's very steep right above the creek, and we're using helicopters there to hold it back while we're trying to build a line down into the canyon.
Cafferata joined us this morning on AM Extra. And despite the challenges, containment lines are holding for the most part. The fire is threatening the Elk Creek campground and homes along Highway 6. Cafferata is advising people against camping in that area.